So we're doing some handhelds for Julie and Gary here. They got a pretty nice deck, pretty nice house, as you can see. They had a structural engineer come in here, and it was more to get the deck re-engineered than to support the old one. So they were just tired of their deck sagging. This got about a 7-inch drop from the driveway side to the pond side. So it's a pretty significant drop. You can't really walk on it without leaning one way or another.
We're here providing support and security for this homeowner's deck. It's 50 years old, and after a while, they started to notice that it was not quite level, driving piers into the ground to give that support to the deck that they need to be able to enjoy the summer.
Yeah, I would suggest homeowners keep an eye out for foundation cracks. If your windows and doors start getting stiff, then that's a big one. Crooked siding, crooked roof lines. There's lots of signs, but I'd say definitely the bigger ones are gonna be your foundation cracks and your windows and doors not working.
The reason for the piers is, whether your house or any structure is sinking to the ground, we just drive those in there to keep them from falling or lift them up back to level.
Definitely challenging. Had a lot of rocks that posed a lot of obstacles, adapt and overcome to be able to move the stuff out of the way to be able to put the piers in the correct location.
I really enjoy helping people, and foundation settlement isn't a joke. So it makes me feel good to know that people have ease of mind that their house ain't going anywhere.